Okay, so this morning we're going to put cookies on the bottom so they'll be on the top when we give him his food. Let's see if he likes that. Okay, he's a big fat pig. Excuse me, Uber Eats. Hello. Good morning. Yes, high five knuckles. Thank you. Good morning. I got your French toast and sausage links. Okay, Mom, that's super delicious. Excuse you. That was not nice. That wasn't very nice. That was not very nice. Are you sorry? Not really, Mom. I'm just hungry. Stop. I don't like that, and you know it. There. That's a good boy. Thank you.